Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Jasmy daily update. We are going to see the next targets. I know that most of you have bought near the top or in the middle of this downtrend. We are going to expose this altcoin and we are going to see where are we going. Before we begin, I hope that you are having a fantastic day wherever you are. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription and let's go proceed to the Jasmy USDT. So right here you can see that we are finding rejection first of all on the 50-day MA, secondly on the 20-day MA. This is what is happening in a very bearish market. You are going down all the way, you're finding rejection on the 20-day MA and the 50-day MA, and right now what you want to see is that if we have achieved a bottom, is this the bottom actually for Jasmy and we are going to go even higher or not. For the time being, what Jasmy needs to do is to get, first of all, past above the 20-day MA, which sits now at around 0.03126. If we have a Fibonacci retracement, maybe we are going to find a line near it. Okay, it is the 0.5 around there and the 0.382. So between these targets right here, we have the 20-day MA as well. So you can see how important these resistance levels are. Okay. This is for the really short term, and these targets we are looking at are for the really short term. Let's go to the 4-hour frame as well. We are struggling so much. BTC on the other hand right here is struggling as well. We closed a little bit below the 28.7k, but in general, look at that. We are going sideways. We are going a little bit further down with lower highs and lower lows. We are not like we are having a little bit of a higher low, higher high pattern right here, and of course this doesn't help the altcoins as well. Jasmy is looking okay against Bitcoin chart. It is having some problems as well. The only problem right now that I am seeing for Jasmy is that if we can manage to pull off these resistance levels on the short term, you can see that we got rejected on the 0.382 turn-based Fibonacci extension, and what we need to do right now is to close above this line to get to the next target, the 0.0239 and the 0.02788. These are the targets, the most important targets for the short term right now. On the 4-hour frame, we do not have any bullish indicator, like we are not having any bullish or say divergence, is not an oversold situation. Instead, we are having an overbought with the stochastic RSI right here. So we cannot assume that we can keep going higher and higher. At the end of the day, though, what do we have is a very long bullish RSI divergence kicking off from 8 March towards the 12th May. This is good. This could be a short-term bottom right here, but I would suggest for all of you right there that you want to buy or accumulate Jasmy or you have bought already, we need to first step above and close above the 20-day MA. We will go to the next target, the 50-day MA, and apart from that, if we see a clear breakout just like we had back here, look at that. Okay. So here we were in a pretty heavy downtrend. I didn't meant to just open this. Okay, so we were in a very heavy downtrend where we found all the time the 20-day MA as a resistance level right here. Look at that. And after we broke above, closed above, this was the first time on 14 March, and this was the entry point. This is where the smart money went in, and we had this crazy pump of around 81%. Right now, you need to do the same. You need to wait a little bit until the 20-day MA, which sits at around 0.0131, around there. Okay, so this is one of the most important resistance levels. And if we can manage to close above around here, because this line gets a little bit further down each time we're having a downtrend, or go sideways each time we're having a little bit of a pump. As you all know, EMAs are lagging indicators just like MAs. Okay, so you can see that we need to close above this line and we are going next. So what is right now the probability of already seeing the bottom for the short term and we go have a little bit of a higher low, higher high? The probability is good, however, that's all if BTC could manage to pull off a little bit of a nice buying pressure on the short term. If we cannot do that, then I think that we are going further down and we are going to go and have a decrease. However, if we have a buying pressure and the Nasdaq and we follow the Nasdaq and the S&P, then yes, it will be easier for Jasmy to pump up as well, and for all the altcoins in the crypto ecosystem. Okay, so yes, for now we have some doubts that we are going to go higher. We need to see if we are going to hold the 28.7k that we constantly hold on the Bitcoin. We recently dropped a little bit below, but it is okay. 28.6 is not far from 28.7k, and right now you can see Jasmy on the other hand is having this sell pressure right here. You need all to be careful after this correction right there. Jasmy can move a little bit lower, okay, in the previous, from the previous all-time high that we have. Look at that, we have corrected for so long. Actually, I'm not sure even if this is an all-time high, but we have corrected from this price target on 0.35 down minus 97.74%. Crazy stuff right there. Be careful. We need to break above and close above the 20-day MA. And of course, I do not trust every single crypto asset, especially Jasmy. It is kind of a meme coin. I'm just making this because a lot of people are asking me, what is Jasmy going to do? I personally do not trust Jasmy, but I'm here to cover the technical analysis of it and the price analysis. 20-day MA is the rejection level right now. 0.13 around there, very crucial resistance level, and after we are going to see. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.